Hello.
How are you?
Not too bad.
Oh my God.
He's out of there. Alright, it should be about an hour.
Alright, thank you.
No problem.
I'm so sorry. She don't bite. She don't bite. Okay, Maya, stop.
She just wanna play.
Stop.
I gotta work. So I'll play with you.
Thank. Oh my God. You put your ass in the house.
She said we out of here.
I'm so sorry, Maya.
You good?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. She is embarrassing.
You so bad.
I'm so sorry.
You good, you good.
Thank you so much.
No problem, huh? Let me open it up for you.
Oh my God, thank God. Thank you so much.
No problem.
It's the iMedic, right?
Oh, you already got it in there?
Yep. My boyfriend had got his phone fixed, right? Okay, there we go.
Alright,
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too.